another way that they can reach you.
I think one of the things that was the most important of what you said about this is their favorite way. Like, we have to be able to answer or respond, but it needs to be their favorite way. If they're not comfortable with a certain way, they may never reach out. So I love that one. Thank you, Jill. So the next one is something that I feel like is very important, and that is testimonials. If you have social proof of something, you can like add that to your website, and it has the herd effect. If you don't know what that is, you can look that up later. But basically, in my version of what it means is if someone sees someone else already wants to do business with you, it gives them more want to do business with you also. If you're putting an example of someone saying you did a great job of helping them solve their problem, they want you to like be known to the world, then that makes someone else go, ooh, I want that solution too. So testimonials are for the KLT evidence, and that's the know, like, and trust. If somebody else knows, likes, and trusts you, it makes it easier for someone to go, okay, yes, I will try this too. It is a variety of people, a variety of messages, and a variety of accolades. So don't use something that's just the same thing, or don't think you have to use the exact same thing. I think there are levels for this. The levels are, if you have a quick quote about something, and I'm going backwards on this bullet point because if you have a quick quote of somebody, that does lend to credibility. But if you add their picture to it, where somebody goes, "Oh, they're the ones that said that about you." But if you can add a video where they're giving you that testimonial, that has a whole new level of credibility attached to it. We around here believe in sprinkle and bunch testimonials. You can have an entire page with all your testimonials on it where someone could go and really be convinced if that's what they need. But sprinkling a testimonial here and there across your website pages is also very powerful, and make that clickable to go to your page with all of that on there. So if they're looking for more, they can find them easily on one place on your website. So sprinkle and bunch those testimonials. Jill, did you have anything to add to that part?
I also like when I'm at a site that is a testimonial based on the page that I'm on, where it's relatable and not something that's just, unless it's overall, but don't mix the product testimonial with a different product or a different place on your site. Relatability is definitely something that I look for as a audience person on someone else's website. So that might be something else to keep in mind when you're strategically placing your testimonials around with your sprinkles.
Very good ad, Jill. Thank you, ma'am.